안녕하세요, 여러분! In the previous episode, we learned about the first 3 Korean sound rules. Just a quick review, some letters sounds T when they are 받침, 기역, 상기역, and ki역 sounds like K when they are 받침, 비읍 and pi읍 sounds P or P when they are 받침. Now, before we learn the next rules, there is one very important thing you need to remember. Korean syllables cannot start with a vowel by itself. So, for example, if you want to write the syllable A, like in the name Akira, you cannot simply write it this way. Akira. You cannot write it this way. Why? Because every Korean syllable block needs a consonant at the beginning. So, when a syllable begins with a vowel, just like this name, Korean uses the consonant iyung as a placeholder. So, instead of writing it this way, you should write it as A. And then, so Akira. So, iyung is placed at the beginning of the syllable. So, this syllable is A sound. Even though it is placed at the beginning of the syllable, it doesn't make a sound. It's a silent letter. So, this is only pronounced as A and not nga. So, you think of iyung as a silent letter. It is just placed there to complete the syllable block, but you don't pronounce it. And it is important to know this because of the next rule that we are to study. So, whenever a syllable has a 받침, like this word, so notice that this first syllable has the 받침 nian, and the second syllable has a 받침 기역, and then next to it is a vowel syllable. Remember, this is a vowel syllable, although there's iyung, because iyung is a silent letter here. Now, whenever a 받침 is followed by a vowel syllable, this final consonant sound is moved here. So, instead of reading it as 한국어, it is pronounced as 한국어. So, the final consonant sound is moved to the next vowel syllable sound. Now, let's look at another example. The word 먹어요. 먹어요 means eat in Korean. So, notice that the first syllable has a 받침, 기역. Now, after this syllable is a vowel syllable. Again, vowel syllable, although there's iyung because this is a silent letter. Now, because it is followed by a vowel syllable, this final consonant sound is moved here. So, instead of reading it as 먹어요, you read it as 먹어요. Okay? So, whenever a final consonant is followed by a vowel syllable, you move the sound of that consonant to the vowel syllable. Now, for your practice, try writing the correct pronunciation of this word in the comment. 음악, which means music. Comment down when you're finished and save this video so you can practice again later and follow for more Korean lessons. 다음에 또 만나요, 여러분!